Next topic is family of circles. Now we are going to find equation of this circle in a red when it is passing through the intersection of the two circles. One is in the black, one is in the blue. So that is called family of circles. Now I have drawn here two circles. Let this be P1 and this be P2. These are the two circles. So what we are going to find it? What we are going to prove it. Now the main equation we are having, the equation is P1 plus lambda P2 is equal to 0, where P1 is equal to 0 and P2 is equal to 0. And what are P1 and P2? P1 and P2 are the equation of the circles. Now P1 is identical to x square plus y square plus 2g1x plus twice of f1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and P2, this is identical to x square plus y square plus twice of g2x plus twice of f2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now basically what we want now, we want P1 plus lambda P2, that should be equal to 0. Now P1 plus lambda P2 is equal to 0 be the equation of two circles where lambda is not equal to -1 and lambda is a constant. Lambda is a constant. And writing this part, this is also having a very nice reason. Okay? And lambda is a constant represents a family of circle passing through a point of intersection of the given circles. Now once again what I have written I have written that these two equations be the equations of two circles, these two equations be the equation of two circles where lambda is a constant and lambda is not equal to negative of 1, represents a family of circles passing through a point of intersection of the given circles. Now we are going to find the equations what P1 plus lambda P2 is going to give us. Now I told you one thing, that was lambda is not equal to negative of 1, that we are going to discuss when I am writing the equation parts. Now proof, let x1 y1 be a point of intersection of the circles P1 is equal to 0 and P2 is equal to 0. Then substituting x1 y1 in P1 gives x1 square plus y1 square plus twice of, I am putting x1 and y1 in this equation, okay. So we are getting twice of g1 x1 plus twice of f1 y1 plus c1 is equal to 0, and substituting x1 y1 in P2 gives x2 square plus y2 square plus twice of g2 x1 plus twice of f2 y1 plus c2 is equal to 0. Now what we are having, P1 plus lambda P2, now this is identical to x1 square, or you can write in this form also, or you can write like this also, okay, plus y1 square plus twice of g1 x1 plus twice of f1 y1 plus c1, one equation, plus lambda x2 whole square plus y2 whole square twice of g1 x2 plus twice of f1 y1, sorry, g2 x2 and f2 y2 plus c2 is equal to 0. Now I am coming for the part which I discussed there, that was this one. Now if we are having lambda as a is not equal to -1, if we are suppose having lambda is equal to -1, if we are putting here negative of 1, then x square and y square will be cancelled with x square and y square, and what we will be having? We will be having an equation with degree 1, and that will not be equation of a circle, it will be equation of a straight line. So that is why we have written x is not equal to negative of 1, one major thing. Now basic thing is what we are getting now, P1 plus lambda P2 is identical to 1 plus lambda with x1 whole square, or you can write it x square plus 1 plus lambda with y square plus twice of g1 plus g2 lambda x plus twice of f1 plus lambda f2 y plus c1 plus lambda c2 is equal to 0. Now what happened to our equation? The major thing is just to understand it, if we are putting substituting x1 and y1 in P1, then x1 y1 in place of x and y, where we have written x1 y1, then this part will be equal to 0, this will be equal to 0. Similarly, if we are putting x1 and y1 in equation 2, that is for P2, then again that will be also equal to 0. So basic thing is this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, and summation of this both again will be equal to 0. So we are having now, in this one was a basic thing, now this one converts to x1 1 plus lambda x square. I have not written x1 whole square, okay, it is 1 plus lambda x square plus 1 plus lambda y square plus twice of g1 plus g2 lambda x plus twice of f1 plus lambda f2 y plus 1 plus lambda c2 is equal to 0. And what are x1 and y1? These are the variables which are already given to us, okay. So at the end we are having P1 plus lambda P2 is equal to 0 represents an equation of family of circles. P1 plus lambda P2 is equal to 0 represents an equation of family of circles.